You hear it? That sound? That's sleet pinging likely on your window. We're starting to see the transition to sleet around the area. We already have received more than 5 inches of snow across most areas, and now the transition to sleet is starting to happen. If it hasn't happened in your neighborhood yet, it will happen soon by noon. Everybody is essentially starting to mix out. This is going to continue throughout the day on Sunday, and it will begin to wrap up after about 8 p.m. Then the big weather story becomes the cold, because it's going to stick with us all week long. Highs this week will be in the 20s, so we're talking 7 days of a deep freeze around the clock. There are going to be many impacts from that. By the way, Tuesday morning, it's going to feel like it's 5 degrees below zero. Tuesday morning, 7 a.m. Get ready for the cold.